Hopefully you guys don't give me too much grief for trailering to Arizona Bike Week while I share some of these videos with you, because this is what the weather looks like, and we just pulled into town not too long ago. So anyway, yeah, enjoy the videos. Going for a little ride. CISCO to MOAB. Our way to Bike Week. Oh, and I forgot something. Need to be able to screw this camera onto the mount. So we have that. We're good to go. We've been in the car for about 5.5 hours on the way to Arizona, and we decided that we needed to drop the bikes here, go for a little bit of ride, and then that way we can spend the night just down the road from here and then get going to Arizona the next day. And we'll be following the Colorado River all the way down to Moab. The Utah 28 is kind of a scenic cut across from the I-70 to Moab, or Moab to the I-70, whichever way you want to take it. Just cuts right straight down through the Colorado Plateau. Spectacular views all the way through this. So I'm gonna quit talking so you guys can enjoy the ride. Those spires in the background there, those are the Fisher Towers, and the white peaks in the background behind that are the La Salle Mountains.